Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I've been making money in meme coins without spending my entire day trading meme coins. Instead, I focus on finding a viral narrative on TikTok or Twitter, and then I launch it on chain to make profits like that. Making the switch to diving has been really profitable for me because I stopped losing money from trading. So in this video, I will be doing a full-on breakdown. Stick around to the end because somewhere in here I'll be announcing a 5 Solana giveaway that anyone can enter. Let's go! Look at my Phantom wallet for a second. I've made over $120,000 just from deving meme coins on chain. In this video, I'm going to review the strategy and even ungatekeep the whole method for you guys all in this video. I do not sell a course, by the way. So let's get right into the video. Now, here's the truth, and I hate to tell you the truth. Trading meme coins is bound to lose money because bro, 98% of all these meme coins on the Solana blockchain are going to end up going to zero, just like these coins. This is exactly why. It's because the devs are always dumping their supply at the last second when the market cap is high on everyone, and that leads to the coin going to zero. And guess who loses? Nope, not the devs. They have nothing at all to lose, but it's the traders. The people who buy here, and here, they lose all their money and they chase their losses right after. That's exactly why I personally stopped trading and I started diving. It's way safer because bro, you were risking nothing when it comes to creating coins. Anybody can make coins, even you, even me. It costs nothing, bro. Maybe a couple dollars for the blockchain fees, but it's basically free. We launch coins using a viral narrative, and when the market cap is high, we cash out, and we do that over and over again until we have a high portfolio. I've personally done this to make all my fucking bread, and I will do a quick example and a full-on tutorial for you guys even if you are a beginner. Let's get straight into the video. And by the way bro, I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice. I'm just here to educate everyone watching this video on how to dev, so please do your own research. Cap. Now, the DEX that I recommend to launch meme coins on is actually not Pump.Fun like most devs use. Most people use Pump.Fun to launch their meme coins, and they just hope for their coin to go viral out of nowhere. But let me tell you the truth. If you make a coin on Pump.Fun, you are just wasting your time. It's over-competitive and too many coins are being launched non-stop. As you guys can see, every single second there's a coin coming out in the new pairs. That's exactly why I do not make coins on Pump.Fun. On top of that, they control your coins and they control everything. You have no control. You cannot dump it whenever you want. So that's exactly why I have a different strategy. Instead, I launch my meme coins on the Raydium DEX, which means all my coins go directly in the migrate section. It skips the entire bonding curve, and I reach thousands of traders, and a lot of people are going to potentially buy my coin because of that. Now, to get your meme coin in the migrate section, you could either make a coin on Pump.Fun, and that coin needs to reach a $60,000 market cap for it to level up to Raydium, or you can use create meme.io. It's the best launchpad to launch coins directly to Raydium because it skips the bonding curve and it goes directly to Raydium on every single coin that you launch on create meme.io. Most people do not know this, and that's exactly why a bunch of devs are gatekeeping create meme.io. Now here's exactly how to launch a meme coin on create meme.io. You could either create a whole new coin from scratch to your liking with your own narrative. For example, I would go on X, I would go on Instagram, TikTok, and I would look for a narrative to turn potentially into a meme coin. It could be anything from a meme, a viral tweet, anything. You would come back here, invent a name, symbol, and image for that coin. But I would highly recommend the second method, and that is the copy trending coin strategy on the third tab right here on the site. Basically, all these coins, they're all going viral right now on Pump.Fun. They all have a good narrative, which means the hype is proven, the attention is proven, and it means that a bunch of people are loving all these coins, which means if you copy a coin here to Raydium, well, you have a higher chance of gaining a bunch of traders into your coin, and that will lead to more your profits into your pockets as a dev. That's exactly why I personally copy coins to Raydium. It's honestly the better strategy. Now it's time for the part of the video that everyone was waiting for, and that is actually vamping a coin and then seeing how much we can make live right now on video. So first of all, bro, before we vamp a coin, just make sure Phantom White is connected. Like that, you can transact with the blockchain, then click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy, right? Why is it fucking lagging? Okay, click on refresh. Okay, boom. Now look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the Ray coin. Honestly, just why not? Okay, and then click on copy to Raydium. Wait for Phantom White to show up, right? Ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand right here, and then click on confirm, and then the coin will be copied. Just give it some time for it to load, like 2 to 3 seconds, and bang, bro. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it is here live 11 seconds ago. Okay, everything is working, it's minted. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this page right here is really simple. It's easier to do it than to say it, but I will go through the 2 steps for the liquidity pool. Basically, when the liquidity pool is created, it will show up directly into the Raydium DEX, and you will have supply and coins before everyone else as a creator. Now for the amount of Ray coins, I would highly recommend, if you are a beginner, to click on 90%. This is what I usually do on all my launches. Right under for the second step, right here for the amount of SO to pair, that is where you will be exchanging some of your Solana for some coins in your own coin, so you will have supply before everyone else, and that's exactly how you are going to profit as a developer. And also, bro, you are not losing anything here. I'm gonna put 0.3 SO. You will get this back later once you dump and remove the liquidity later. You guys will see, bro. So it's not like if you are spending anything, it's all good. Click on create pool. Wait for your Phantom White to show up in a couple seconds, and then ignore the block once again. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the Ray coin is now live and your PNL is going to show up right there, okay, which is really great. And if you want to check your profits, bro, just click on refresh right here. And as you guys can see, bang, bro, now we're up $151. People are now buying in our coin, and that is a really good sign because we copied a trending coin, okay, on Raydium. So click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen, okay? It should be fucking live in a couple seconds. Let's fucking go. And as you guys can see here, bro, bunch of people are buying in. We are at a 1.6k market cap. Do not worry if the coin goes down a little bit, okay? It will go up potentially because more and more people are going to start seeing our coin in the migrate section, and then they are going to decide if they want to buy our coin. But it's fucking great because, bro, we risk nothing at all on our end, okay? This coin costed us $0 to create, so if we only make like $100, we can just cash it out and move on to the next coin. And that's exactly why I love deving meme coins instead of trading. I will keep repeating it. I don't give a fuck. Bang, it's going up a bit, okay? We might be up like $300, $70 worth of buys right here. That's fucking great. I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. When I come back, I will show you guys exactly how we cash it. I am back, and as you guys can see on screen, we are almost at a 10k market cap within a couple minutes, and this is actually insane. I could wait longer for the coin to go higher, but I am not greedy. Come back to fucking create meme.io when you want to cash out your profits, and then click on the refresh button right here. And oh my god, bro, 1.9k? Yo, that's actually kind of good for a 7.5k market cap within a couple minutes. Now click on the minus button, do 100% to remove all, remove liquidity, and then wait for your Phantom Wallet to show up in a couple seconds. And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you dev a coin from scratch. And then, you know, we just cashed out 1.9k off of this one coin, 20 Sol, and now it's up to you to do whatever the fuck you want with this information and with this strategy that you just acquired, okay? The trick here is to stay consistent, launch coins over and over again, and just compound that portfolio until you reach your goal in your Phantom wallet. And obviously, bro, it's all for educational purposes only. You don't need to do this, but yeah, I would highly recommend it. Create Meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, or you can just go on Google and type in create Meme.io, and it's up to you, bro. Peace out.